All right, so we have another really quick exercise. This one is definitely a little easier than the last. Basically, it's the same idea. Here's an image. This is some HTML that I wrote, and I want you to reverse engineer it. So take this. This is about my dog Rusty. You do not have to use the same image. If you do want to, and you want to use the exact same image, make it look exactly the same, it's included in the description. So I'll let you decide on which heading this is, what this is right here, what heading this is. Decide on where this link actually goes to. Rusty doesn't have an Instagram. I'm not one of those dog owners, thankfully. I decided to link to just some Instagram that was just dogs of Instagram, I think. So any link really will do there. So again, pretty simple. One image, one link, one list, a few headings, and one weird looking yet painfully adorable mutant dog.